Welcome to the Contemporary Challenges for IT Managers. My name is Rajiv Srestha, a student of University of Ballarat. My student ID number is 3009588. Today I'm going to talk about topic software failure. First of all, what is software failure? Software systems are persistent in all aspects of society, from electronics voting to online shopping. Important part of our daily on a daily basis life is reconciled by software. Well, at the end of if software doesn't work, and it will arise lots of problem to the organization. Software failure occurs when the software doesn't do what the user expects to see. According to Nike and Tripathi 2008, in modern software business, software failure means the customers expectation has not been met, or the customer is unable to do useful work with the product. Some of the famous software failures are, according to Business Computing UK Award UK 2011, there are many famous software disasters in the world. Some of the software disaster I just mentioned in this video. One is cash machine bug benefits customer by giving them extra money. It was happening in Australia, like bank to Australian bank that began giving out large sum of money from 40 cash machines from across the city, across one city. Officials at the company said they were operating in standby mode, so could not identify the account balances of customers. Another one is 50,000 cars recall after bring airbag related software glitch. A glitch in the automaker's software design and testing approach that mean airbags for passengers in the right rear seat during a crash may not be deployed. It resulted in the recall for 47,401 vehicles in only from the US, and the rest of the 3,009 is from Mexico and Canada. Recall 1 million cars address fire and railway concerns. A Japanese car company was forced to initiate a worldwide recall of over 1 million vehicles affected by a design flaw, allowing this decide this for from window cleaners to accumulate, which can degrade the switches, electrical contracts, and potential causes a fire over time. Why software become failure? One of the most common reasons software fail is that it is not delivered on schedule as expected. Another common reason of failure is budget overrun. Even if the software is delivered in the time, however, end user doesn't have handled properly, or say find the same system difficult or use to use. Poor communication between clients, developers, and users makes project fail. Sometimes lack of IT management, lack of resources, and lack of planning makes software failure. How to avoid software failure? First of all, to finalize any kind of software, IT project manager has to check and test before deliver to the user. Create a project disaster plan. Any kind of project should have an early warning system in place, and sign should be communicated to all suitable participants. When a project goes off way, but don't be scared to stop the project. Just define list goals, reveal the team, and improve the plan. Identify the right team members before develop any kind of software project, and give them knowledge, if possible give them some training too. Try to finish early and leave time for testing, so that IT project management manager can test the project. If found any minor mistake, then it will fix between on that time. If the organization has had IT failure issues, then the study list as a starting point to cut through denial and become more successful. Thank you for listening my videos.